Hi everyone, I'm Mommy Myra and today I'll be sharing with you this flower garden sensory bin I made for my 3-year-old daughter. All the materials we used are so inexpensive, so I'm sure you can make this one for your kids too. Place different textured fillers in the bin. Here we used brown beans and some garden pebbles. You may also use black rice, shredded paper, or kinetic sand. Ask your kids' participation as you prepare this sensory bin. Then place plastic pots and flowers in the bin. I got these plastic pots and flowers from Shopee. Lastly, add some mini garden tools. Time to play now! Make sure to supervise always your children's play as there are choking hazards. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.